Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Vanakkam, and welcome. My name is Mankaran Singh from Sagar Restaurant, which is a brand in Malaysia serving authentic Indian cuisine. So it's a family business. I am the second generation coming in. Our restaurant has been established since 1998. It's going into 28 years now. With God's grace, we also do a lot of tourists. We serve a lot of tourists. We're blessed to serve them. We've crossed over 4 million tourist meals. So, as mentioned, Sagar has been since 1998. Our idea is to try to serve not just food but an experience to our customers, our patrons, to create a memory, a good memory together. And as they say in Hindi, "Ghar ke baad ghar ka khana dena." That's what we will try to serve and do our best. We have a few outlets. One is in our main outlets in Sagar Bangsa. We are in Sunday Lagoon Theme Park. We also have a sister brand by the name of Northern Indian Cuisine. We also have been given the opportunity to do catering services. So we cater from small series all the way up to 25,000 people. And just, our family has a passion for food. And Dad's been a big lover of food, and it started off as a fun. So Sagar was actually just supposed to be opened up for fun. And 28 years later, with God's grace, we're still here. So we would like to invite everyone to come and try. We hope to serve you a Sagarlicious and a wonderful meal, and we will get your blessings. And we are happy if you are happy. Thank you.